Arcadia Bay is booming.
The paper can only talk about that or about missing girls.
You mean Rachel Amber?
Well, I guess. I bet she ran away because she was bored. Who wouldn't be here?
아니, 뭘 해야 돼 대체? 다 자러 갔어 진짜 내가 보다가?
Oh, look at you. A fine example of youth. I bet you're a senior student.
Yes, I
고등학생이었어?
I can tell you're
고등학생인데
a
뭐.
wise young woman. I know all about Blackwell and this town.
네?
You must know Joyce
네?
Price from the Two Whales Diner.
She's fed me more than my own family. How's a daughter your age who's always in trouble? Married to a real prick.
응?
Have you met Joyce's daughter?
Cute girl. Pissed off. I used to see her and her pretty friend, Rachel,
맞아.
around a lot.
맞다.
Do you know anything about Rachel Amber?
너무
That missing girl?
I know she's
졸리긴
missing.
해요, 그치?
I know she hung out here a bit. Sometimes I'd see
자꾸
her
나랑 안
walking all
놀아주면
by herself, deep in
나
the
자러
dark.
갈 거야.
Too damn young and pretty to look so worried.
협박, 협박.
Was she alone a lot or with friends?
Like I said, she seemed tight with Joyce's daughter. I thought I
Oh,
saw her
자꾸
with an older
내려가.
gent one time. Maybe her dad. That's a terrible thing for a
편집.
parent to deal with. I pray the poor thing is all right. But you can't save everybody.
I bet you have dirt on the Prescott family.
That whole family is dirty. They once done good things for Arcadia Bay. Those days are dead, like anything in their way.
I know somebody who's being threatened by a Prescott.
Then you be their
새벽
guardian
3시
angel,
반.
because nothing gets in the way of that family, especially not the law. Hell, they own your school, Blackwell. Almost.
How long have you lived in Arcadia Bay?
1,000 years.
저 너무 배불러요
I've
이제.
gone through the same changes as the town.
What changes?
너무
to the town?
배불러. 나 왜 이렇게 많이
Ones it
먹었지?
takes
왜
a
안
lifetime
말렸어?
to see. There's a lot of beauty here, but a lot of darkness too. Greedy
Darkness too.
bastards that ruin this
Greedy
town,
bastards
put people out of
Run
work,
this town.
out of
Put
home,
people out of work.
like me.
Out of home.
I'm sorry.
Like me.
Have you ever lived outside of here?
그렇게
Where
많이
the
먹었어.
hell would I go? I
많이
hate the
안
sun,
먹었어.
the
저거
I
나
might be
레귤러로
homeless,
먹었어요.
but
라지
Arcadia
안
Bay
먹고.
is still my home.
이것도 다 안
I have to
먹었어
go
지금.
Goodbye.
Come talk to me any old time you want, young lady.
진짜야. 피자 먹으실? 아 그래요? 시아님 엄청 말랐을 것 같아. 대체 뭘 해야 되는 거지? 밥을 적게. 몸무게 어떻게 되는데? 38kg는 거 아니야 또? 이 아저씨?
Good morning. Looks like you're ready to catch some serious fish.
나 낚시 가고 싶다. 낚시 좋아하는데. 근데
Arcadia
문제는
Bay just
벌레를
isn't the same
무서워해서
fishing
미끼를
town
못
I
깨.
grew up in.
Has the town changed much?
By Neptune's beard, it has. Seems like a
60이면은
lifetime ago when I was king of the harbor.
60이면은 얼만큼이죠? 막 이래놓고 막 키 170일 거 아니지?
You have your own boat?
I call her the Bali High. I've kept a hold of her in these lean days. Might be all the time we've got left.
I thought
나왜
one of Arcadia
500이다.
Bay's main exports was fish.
Oh, the fish used to
500,
jump on
500kg
them
나와요, 500kg.
until the Prescotts and their finance fiends snapped up harbor rights.
The Prescotts have a lot of power.
They might rename the town Prescott Bay. If that tells you much.
근데 그거 진짜 살이
Do you know them?
Too good for my
순식간에
working
찌고
time. I
안
know them
빠져.
for their
저
bad
내일부터
deeds.
야식 안 먹을
Let's
거예요.
not get
내일부터 다
downcast.
배고프다
I hear the
찡찡대면
fish
다이어트 하라고 나
calling
혼내야
Molly
돼, 님들이.
Never forget that old fishermen never die. We just smell that way.
I'd love to learn more, but I have to get going. Happy fishing out there.
졸려.
Look at all these flyers. It's so sad that nobody will read them.
캠핑카.
There's that dirty RV from the other day.
Yeah, stop! No barking.
There was something creepy about that guy and his dog.
왜 못 가게 하지?
I don't want to go that way.
아, 그래? 가지 마, 그래? 가지 마. 헐랑아잉! 나 님 사진 쓰고 있음. 아이, 컨셉 무엇?
I don't want to go that way.
아줌마 얘기 좀 합시다. 어깨빵. 어깨빵. 미쳤냐? 나 아무 생각 없이 문 열려고 F 눌렀어, 방금.
I said over and out.
Go to the RV?
There's that dirty RV from the other day.
배그충? 아, 배그 좋아. 뭐야 이게? 뭐야? 뭔데? I don't know what I'm doing. 나 이거 어디 가야 돼? 아.
Come talk to me any old time you want, young lady.
아니야, 자가빈 나보다 게임 잘하셔.
I'd love to lecture you over coffee, but I prefer to drink in silence and solitude.
That graffiti has been here forever. Gross.
아, 그래요? 길치라고? 저 사슴. 저 사슴. 저 사슴.
Thank you, redneck poet. Oh man, I bet that's the same gum from when I was here last. You'd never know how weird this town is by these postcards.
차에 바꿔 튀었다고요?
I would buy a shirt, but they're so damn tourist.
아, 근데 이건 차라리 차에라도 치웠으면 좋겠어. 답답해 죽겠네. 뭐 하는 거야, 대체 얘는. 이거 이 게임 알아, 혹시?
Still morning. Thank you.
뭐 어떻게 되는지 알아, 누구? 아, 이게 쓸데없이 예의는 지켜서 건물 안에서 못 뛰어댕겨. RB 안에 들어가는 방법을 찾아야 된다고? 이거? 아, 그래? 돌 던지면 안 돼? 야, 너 자꾸 지진 보신탕에 먹는다? 어? 보신탕에 먹는다. 미안해.
I think I've talked my quota for the year.
님들 보신탕 먹어요, 혹시?
Now that brings back memories. Chloe and I loved the parade.
아, 뭐 이런 옵션이 있었어, 이 미친. 박친다.
And there she is.
보신탕 먹지
Lovely
마요.
young woman. How are you doing, Max?
협반만 하고
Joy.
먹지 마.
It's nice to see you again.
아,
You
아,
look the
빡친다.
same.
Like I'm still a
렌탁 또 자?
waitress at Two Whales
렌탁 또
after
자냐?
all these years.
No, like you still look pretty.
Nice save, kid. You're still smart. But I wish you'd been here to help save Chloe. She got busted yesterday smoking out. Again.
I know. Chloe told me that her stepfather hit her.
I am sorry that was your introduction to David. I hope you get to know him on
I hate
your
all of
terms,
you.
not Chloe's. He's a good man. He just...
Yeah, I'm sure he is since you married him, but don't be so harsh on Chloe.
내 거 보면서 수면 방송이라
I was
그러더니
hoping you
장난한
could
것
be a
같아.
good influence in her life now.
I will be. Promise. I know things were hard for you and Chloe. I feel bad I didn't call. Now my folks are in Seattle and I'm all in Blackwell.
You moved forward with your life. I did after William passed on.
기분
Chloe?
업데 알 업데.
Chloe chose to stay angry. Anyway, I hope we see more of you. Chloe needs an old friend again.
Joyce, I am so sorry about
나 이제
William.
내일부터 진짜
I have
야식 안 할
great
거예요.
memories of him.
I'm glad,
진짜 안 할
Max.
거야.
That was his gift to us.
정말 정말 안
Wonderful
할 거야.
memories. Even if
살
Chloe
뺄
doesn't
거야.
understand yet.
Chloe understands. She just needs time. I know that sucks for you.
Oh, she hit all the phases. Expulsion, running away, drugs, bad boys,
띵키
tattoos, piercings, blue hair.
웃냐? 설렁 웃어?
Now she's got to rebel
웃냐?
against her stepfather.
웃어? 웃어?
I see why.
감히 웃어?
Why?
웃겨?
What did Chloe tell you?
Well, Chloe texted me that David slapped her yesterday.
He feels awful, and he will be punished. But Chloe does push David, and it's not fair. He paid his dues in a war. He does care about her, along with all the students at Blackwell.
응원의 웃음이라고? 아닌 것 같은데.
That's no excuse to hit a girl. He's an adult.
I don't like it either, Max. David swore it would never happen again. He's true to his word.
근데
I just
이거
want us to
진짜
be a family
나도
soon. I guess
재밌긴 한데
it's all
졸리다.
about time.
I think you're right, Joyce.
So, now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What do you want to eat?
베이컨 오믈렛 먹을까? 벨기에 와플 먹을까? 벨기에 와플.
The last good Belgian waffle I had was here when I was 13 years old. So,
아,
Now
힐링용이요.
finish your coffee.
뭔가 되게 막 스펙타클한 게 없어.
One Belgian waffle for the hungry girl.
nerd graffiti.
둘 다 먹지. 아니 나는 되게 소식하는 사람이라서 저 하나씩 다 못 먹어요.
The only thing that's changed on the menu are the prices. This is like fourth dimensional deja vu. I keep going back in time.
Not a bar.
No beer?
Looks like you had plenty. Stick with the bacon.
Stick with the bacon. 왜 여기서 아무것도 못해?
Order ready.
커피를
This is like
마신다.
fourth dimensional deja vu.
I can hear
그래?
your stomach rumbling from here, Max. Here, you'll love this.
I'm drooling like a baby.
Still can't believe you're a woman. When I
맛있겠다.
look at pictures of Chloe, speak of the devil.
아픈 걸 입 가리고 하라 그랬는데.
Mom and Max, together again.
And Chloe looking for a free meal. You put your whole damn college fund on your tab.
I'm treating Chloe for breakfast.
No, you're not. This is my treat. To you, for coming back to rescue my daughter.
Nobody needs to rescue me.
Unless you set your room on fire smoking out.
Oh, God.
빠이야.
Didn't you and Sergeant Pepper already read me the riot act last night?
Call him David if you don't want to be lectured. You only get one damn slice of bacon a day.
베이컨 한 조각만 준다고 너무한 거 아니야 진짜? 아니 딸내미한테 어떻게 한 조각만 줄 수 있어? 그래도 적어도 두 조각은 줘야지.
What is this shit on the jukebox?
그 노래 내가 틀었다 이놈아. 이씨.
Now that that's out of the way. Let's talk about your superpower.
I don't have any explanation, and I can't explain why I saw that
약간
crazy fucking tornado.
Come on,
저
that's a
약간
dream. I want
클로이랑
both at the
비슷해요.
one time.
저렇게 그냥
This
사방팔방
is
해치고
all
다녀요.
happening so fast.
We'll start slow.
근데 저렇게
Right here,
무섭진
now.
않아요.
I can tell you
그냥
every single
뛰어다니는 게
thing you have in
비슷해.
your pockets.
You have X-ray vision, dude? I don't even know what's in my pockets.
그리고 일단
Let me
보이면 누워. 앉을 수 있는 곳은 다 누울 수 있어.
Okay, Max. Impress me.
껌 먹어야지.
Some old chewing gum?
Nada. Not impressed.
현실의 게임
Okay,
좀
psychic girl. Let me show you what's actually in my pockets. That was beyond epic fail. You even made me want to believe you.
인생 재밌게 살죠.
This is me telling you what's inside your pockets.
Okay, Max. I'm hella ready.
You have a tube of glitter in there, right?
Nada. Wrong answer.
뭐였지?
Okay,
뭐가 있었지?
psychic girl. Let me show you what's actually in my pockets.
아, 봐야
Okay,
됐구나.
Max. Study every item carefully and don't
아,
forget
봐야
anything.
됐구나. 열쇠, 담배, 동전. 이렇게 하는 거였구나.
So, this
Oh,
is me
Pina.
telling you.
Okay, Max.
Your car keys.
Duh, way too easy. I need details. Describe my keychain.
팬다.
A cute robot panda keychain.
Not bad, Super Max. You do have that Irish luck, Caulfield. What else?
I'm pretty sure you have cigarettes on you.
Yes, you know I'm a smoker. But how many cigarettes?
오,
7 cigarettes.
A superpower that allows you to count cigarettes. Cool.
못했어.
Something else in my pockets?
Some money.
Clearly I'm rich as fuck. How much do I have?
82 cents.
I wish. Okay, psychic girl. Let me show you what's actually in my
아이,
pockets.
진짜 귀찮게. 몇 센트인지까지 세야 돼, 이거?
Okay, Max.
에바요.
Study every item carefully and don't forget anything.
50, 75, 80, 86. 그럼 한국 사람들은 이거 때려 맞춰야 돼요? 미국 돈 알아요?
This is me telling you what's inside.
나는 한국
Okay,
돈 좀
Max.
모르거든.
I'm hella ready.
500원, 100원?
I'm pretty sure you have cigarettes on you.
Yes, you know I'm a smoker. But how...
7
동전 뭐 있지
cigarettes.
또?
A superpower that
10원
allows you
있나?
to count cigarettes. Amazing.
한국 가서 동전 써야 되는데 나 동전을 못 냈었어.
Your car keys.
이상한 게
Way too
초등학교
easy.
때까지
I need
있었는데
detail.
A
기억이 안 나,
cute
동전이.
robot.
Not bad. Super...
1원도
You
있지
do have
않나?
that Clearly I'm rich.
86 cents.
That's right, living large in Arcadia Bay. So that was cool. Show me more.
A parking ticket.
You know me well. But what is the exact time I was
아니
busted?
저걸 어떻게 와, 이 미친 거 아니야?
11:10 a.m.
That is so wrong. Okay, psychic girl. Let me show you what's actually.
아니 이거를 이렇게 귀찮게 만드는 사람이 어딨어? 이
Okay, Max.
제작책.
Study every item carefully and don't forget anything.
몇 시야? 10시 43분? 오케이. 이거 계속 쓰면 죽어요 혹시?
So, this is me telling you what's in.
Okay, Max.
I'm pretty sure.
Yes, you know I'm a smoker.
코피나? 그럼 죽어?
7 cigarettes.
A superpower. Amazing. Clearly I'm rich.
전두엽이 뭐야?
86.
That's right. So that was cool.
Your car key.
Duh.
A cute.
Not bad. You do
아,
have
그래?
that Irish luck.
그 게임에 지장이 있어요?
A parking ticket.
You know
아니
me
나
well.
진짜 궁금한데
What is the
투수들은
exact-
모든 게임을 다 한 거야? 다 잘 알아.
10:34 a.m.
Booyah! Max can tell time. Amazeballs. I literally just got chills all over my neck. You have powers.
Take that crap off the table, Chloe.
Sure, Mom.
어.
How's
근데-
the food,
근데-
Max?
Better than I remember.
아.
Very good save.
하는 사람이 그 게임을
Man, I'm
해서
hungry like a
훈수가 막
wolf.
있는 것만이
Clearly.
아니라 게임한 사람도 있고 보고 온 사람들도 있고.
I'm freaking out about what just happened. You have to show
근데
me
그
more. Something way cooler,
창박해지면은
so I
게임
won't believe you
진행에
without any
문제가
doubt.
생겨요?
I will predict the future.
No way.
Now, pay attention to everything that happens in the next few moments, so you can dazzle
Okay.
Chloe with your mad power.
Oops.
Did you break another cup? Really? No refill for you.
좋네.
And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
You're a dick. Don't slap me, bitch. Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
I'm going to predict 4 events that will happen in the next 30 seconds or so.
컵을 떨어뜨려.
The trucker drops his mug, and Joyce rips him a new one.
So what happens next?
The cop gets an emergency alert on his radio, and he quickly exits the diner.
Well, let's just see how this goes down.
Justin and Trevor are fighting, and Joyce breaks it up.
Yes, you still need to tell me one more event, Max.
아, 나 뭐 하나 잘못 말한 것 같은데?
Oops.
Did you break another cup? Really? No refill for you.
And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey, where is my partner?
I think not,
Slap
Max.
me, bitch. Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm finishing it.
That is wild.
아, 끝까지 기다려야 되는구나.
That's the best song I've
This
heard
is
yet.
sure the hell better than that other garbage.
I think our jukebox is headed for Davy Jones's locker.
So what are you waiting for?
I'm going to predict
컵을
the trucker
떨어뜨려.
drops his mug, and
So what happens next?
그 파트너가
the
떠나.
cop gets an emergency alert on his radio, and his partner in the car leaves without him.
Well, let's just see how this goes down.
조이스가 말려.
Justin and Trevor are fighting,
This is getting good. Can't wait to see what happens.
the
이거 맞았나?
jukebox goes crazy as the trucker tries to play him a song.
Pretty bizarro, Max. But let's see if everything happens
내 방
like you
갑자기
said.
엄청 추워졌어. 한국 엄청 춥다는데 지금 다들 괜찮으신가?
Oops.
Did you break another cup? Really? No refill for you.
And now I gotta take this call and leave my breakfast. Hey,
근데
where
원래
is my
비
partner?
오면은 따뜻해지지 않아요?
So cool.
Me, bitch. Take your fight club outside.
He started it.
I'm
서울님은
That is
어디 쪽이에요, 지역이?
This is a sad day in Max.
광주?
Sure the hell better than that
광주
other
가봤었는데.
I think our jukebox is headed for Davy Jones's locker.
So what are you waiting for?
Now, pay attention to everything that happens in the next few moments, so you can dazzle Chloe with your mad power.
아, 한국도 갑자기 엄청 따뜻해졌었어. 아, 또 틀렸어. 너무 힘들다. 팔로우 감사합니다. 네, 저 미국이에요.
I'm going to
북미입니다.
predict. The trucker drops
이거
his
마지막 거
mug
뭐였지?
and
So,
the cop gave
well,
just an int-
this is getting good.
The jukebox goes crazy as a cockroach crawls on it.
Pretty bizarro, Max.
미국이세요? 아, 드디어 맞췄나 보다.
Did you break another
드디어
cup?
맞췄나 보다.
Really? Go, Mom.
No refill for you.
서로 좀 이따 방송 끄고 내 거 방송하면 봐봐.
Hey, where's my
나
partner?
그거, 나 호스팅 돌리니까 안 하겠구나.
He's off to go bust some
에카콜라
stairs.
거 해놨어.
You're a dick.
Don't slap me, bitch. Take your fight club outside.
어디 사세요?
I'm finishing it.
Trevor and Justin must be in love.
외국.
You predicted a cockroach on the jukebox? I pledge allegiance to Max and the power for which she stands.
This isn't a story. I do
Can't
have
watch
several
stream, but
habits.
hope you have ANCIE night.
The best toy ever?
아,
Anyone,
팩토리
no strings attached. Rewind time and go. It's
또
like it never happened.
아리가또.
Maybe you made a move on me and I would never know.
Yes, that's what I
Thank you for subscribing.
You can rewind time, Max.
2개월
That's
구독
fucking
감사합니다.
insane. We have to play.
I don't have time.
아, 뉴저지
You did
사세요?
not just say
저랑 그러면 시간대 같겠네요, 동부.
Check out your nose. Too much blow?
코피 나요.
Hey, are you okay?
Too much excitement.
구독, 좋아.
See what happens when we hook up again?
Then, let's go to one of my secret lairs and fully test your power. You need a sidekick to guide you.
Okay, girl wonder. Show me the way to Chloe's cave.
뉴저지도 춥지 않나요? 아파요? 아프지
Okay,
마.
Supergirl. Let's go to
가서
my
푹
secret
쉬어요.
place.
약 챙겨
Don't even
먹고
answer.
밥 잘
Places
먹고.
to go and what to do.
오늘
Come on,
방송
before
와줘서
Mom starts some more
고마워요.
shit. Let's bail.
It's Kate Marsh from Blackwell.
Big whoop. You don't call me once in 5 years and now you're all over some biatch you see every day at school? I see how you roll. So go ahead, chat up Kate Marsh from Blackwell. I've got other people to hang out with too.
맞아, 저희도 받아야 되는데. 받아보지 뭐. 시간 돌릴 수 있으니까.
Hey, Kate. What's up?
Please, don't let your best friend get in the way.
You okay? I
솔로라
promise, Kate.
받다.
I won't forget. I swear. Just do your homework and don't stress. I really don't think we should go into this right now. I'll call you later, okay?
그럼 나도 아파야 되잖아.
Thanks, Max. If you'd rather chill with Kate, please, go ahead.
You are ridiculous. I'm chilling with you, okay?
For now, let's rock.
삐졌나봐.
Sucks that Chloe and Joyce got into an argument.
Okay, Supergirl, let's go to my secret place. Later, Mom!
Bye, Joyce.
Freedom!
I feel bad about Kate.
She'll survive you not taking that one call. Now follow me, young Squire Max.
진짜 죽을 것
so we
같은데.
can seriously tap your power and rule the world.
I hope Kate doesn't get upset that I didn't answer.
아, 어떡하지? 전화 받을까 말까. What should I do? What should I do? 받을까 말까. 어떡하지? 받을까요 말까요? 받아야 될 것 같은데. 어떡하지? 결정장애 미치겠다. 이런 힘든 게임을 나한테 주다니. 어떡해. 어떡하니. 좀 좋아. 받아야 될 것 같아. 암만 생각해도 받아야 돼. 암만 생각해도 받아야 돼.
Okay, Supergirl.
받아야 돼, 받아야 돼. 뭐해, 저 남자는? 아, 방 진짜 추워졌어, 갑자기. 미쳤나봐.
Is this a race?
Keep up.
How many times are you going to get pissed at me this week?
That depends on you and how well you do in this phase of the test. Welcome to American Rust, my home away from hell.
Raw and rough. It suits you.
Max, do you know how awesome this is? I get my best friend back, and she's also supersized.
We don't know for how long.
너무
Exactly why it's
졸려.
time to have fun.
이거 하고 자야겠다. 이 게임 너무
David
졸려.
might be a douche, but you did steal his gun. Is everybody armed in Arcadia Bay now?
Only the ones who shouldn't be, like Step Dildo. Until now.
I'm not in the revolution
리볼버다.
yet, Che.
You are the revolution,
팡,
Max.
팡,
So we should
팡.
figure out how to best use and abuse your power with the test. Drink?
Yuck.
You are so cute. You haven't changed a bit.
You are so cute. 졸려.
Okay, let's do this. Can you find 5 bottles while I prep the shooting range?
Beer and guns? Nice combo.
You can handle it. Now go find us 5 bottles, pretty please.
나한테 심부름 시키고 있어. 빈병을 찾아오라니.
No way! I totally remember going there when I was a kid. I loved the Hush Puppies. Now the sign is just, I don't want to go that way.
병.
Stupid bottle. Look what we have here. A cute little bottle for the taking.
에그님이 직접 움직이시는 건가요? 네네네. 그래서 이렇게 암이 걸릴 것 같아. 너무 졸리다, 이거.
Hello, bottle number 1. One more to go.
보트.
So sad to look at a ground
원래는
boat.
저는 배그하는
I wonder who owned
스트리머입니다.
that and where they are now.
이 게임을
Beyond repair. Rest in peace.
보고 싶다고 하셔서 하는데
I wonder how many generations of fashion went through
밤이라
that
그런지
washing
너무
machine.
졸리네요. 평.
Boom. Only 3 bottles left.
3개나 더 찾아야 돼.
Wowzer. That looks exactly like the same dough from my tornado vision. That dough is the perfect photo op.
근데 이 환영 같아. 이상해. 투명하잖아. 사진에 나왔나? 어디가? 배 가시는군요. 안 어렵나요? 재밌어요. 어려운데 재밌어요. 청정수입니다. 사고 나셨어요? 괜찮으세요? 미국 차서
This was an
위험해.
old school puncture.
배가세요, 배거. 게임 끄는 지 5년 만에? 배가세요, 여러분. 배가면 핵도 만나고
It's so
핵도
quiet
만나요.
and primordial out here.
설렁이 열심히 하네. 차기 매니저인가요? 아니, 병이 안 보여. 병이 안 보여.
This is the scariest thing here.
뭐야?
This is the scariest thing here.
티셔츠가 있어 봐. 인형.
Aw, poor thing. They left you here all alone.
소름 돋았어. 아, 폐차량이 왜 끝이 아니구나.
This looks like a graffiti museum for Chloe and Rachel.
평평평.
I bet I can find out more about Rachel here. 3 down, 2 more to go. Talk about
진짜
finding a
무서워.
bottle.
그리고 미국 아기녀 막 이런 거 좀
Ouch.
눈이 너무 막 무서워. 맞아요. 게임 잘 만들어 요즘. 되게 잘 만드는 것 같아요. 그래서 솔직히 아무것도 안 하고 하루 종일 게임해도
Those shells look fresh.
할 수 있을 것 같아. 막 다른 게임으로 다.
The Bigfoots were here.
(3년) 만에?
Every car has its own tale and history.
그런 거야? 난 그런 거 몰라. 주사기들?
Oh, gross. So disturbing to see old
Yuck.
syringes on the ground. I could use this board as a bridge. Doesn't look too heavy.
그랬어? 5년 전 게임 유명한 게 뭐가 있었죠?
Way heavier than I thought. Ugh.
(4년) 전에 무슨
One
게임이
more bottle to go.
유명했었지?
Although this junkyard is a dive, I see why Chloe hangs here.
근데 병 하나 더 찾아야 되는데 그게 어디 있을까? 스카이림도 그래픽 좋지 않나?
Nope, I don't want to go there.
바이오쇼크는 또 뭐죠? 게임에 대해 빠삭하시군.
Thanks for the tip.
고마워. 아주 고마워. 팁 고마워.
I don't want to go that way.
스타크래프트. 저 스타 되게 못해요. 스타 진짜 못해요.
I know there's a bonfire spot where people party around here.
반파야. 아, 모닥불 근처. 그게 어딘데? 이건 미니맵 없어요, 여긴? 미니맵 사요, 미니맵 사요. 미니맵 사요. 미니맵 사요. 점프도 못해. 길을 잃었다. 빰빰빰 빠람빰. 어디로 가야 할까?
Nope, I don't want to go there.
이제 트럭 라디오 게임이 됐는데? 안 몰라. 힐링 게임이고 뭐고 나는 힘들어 죽겠다. 못 찾겠다. 네가 들고 있는 그 병 주면 되잖아. 여기가 어딘지 모르겠다. 나니, どこですか?
I know there's a bonfire spot where... Nope, I don't want to go there.
아니 그래 모닥불이 있는 쪽에 있다는 건 알겠어. 근데 불 안 켜져 있는 모닥불을 내가 무슨 수로 찾습니까? 그렇지 않습니까, 제군?
I don't want to go that way.
GTA 맞아, GTA. GTA도 많이 했죠.
All this rusted metal makes me feel serene. Am I morbid or just goth?
진짜 어떻게 찾아? 미쳤냐고. 진심 도란맨? 아니. 자, 나라면은 파티를 어디서 했을까? 나 같으면 센터지. 무서우니까. 대체 어디지? 위를 보면서
I know there's a bonfire spot where people party around here.
위를 보면서 위를 보면서 모닥불을 위에서 피워? 모닥불을 위에서 피운다고? 저 뭐 지났어요?
I wonder if Chloe thinks about her father when she looks at all these smashed up cars.
연기? 연기 나는 곳이 있어요? 오! 우와! 대박! 내가 했던 개소리가 진짜였어? 아, 미친.
I'm sure this is a popular party pit.
진짜였어.
I know there's a bonfire spot where people party around here. Voila. Now I can deliver this bottle booty to Captain Chloe.
어떻게 멈춰? 아 진짜 찾았어. 와 내가 연기 그 얘기했는데 진짜 연기 미친 거 아니야? 그러니까 왜 저런 데서 캠파이어 이상하네요. 아 감사합니다. 힘들어. 힘들어. 아니 고등학생이래 얘네.
Wait, one more for the road.
You're serious about this?
We're gonna shoot all these bottles without wasting a single bullet. Max, you have to help me aim. Show me
방금
the way, Max.
I need to see you shoot first.
방금 글록이었는데 리볼버로 바뀌었어.
Show me the way, Max.
Aim a bit to the right.
Sir, yes, sir. Oh, yes! Did you see that shit, Max?
Duh.
That was so fucking cool.
좋아요.
Now for the second bottle. Now, Max, where do I aim?
You're on target. Pull the trigger.
드럽게 못 쏘네.
Now, Max, where do I aim?
Aim slightly above.
Right between the eyes.
저렇게 쏘면 배그에서 큰일 납니다. 알았죠? 큰일 나요.
Watch out, Nathan. Now that is fun. Let's pump up the volume and find me another target. I want to get creative.
아니 2개 쏠 거면서 나한테 왜 5개 찾아오라 그런 거야? 양아치래요?
Give me something to shoot, Max.
Let's see you take a crack at that rusty barrel.
Sorry, Mr. Barrel. Your time
저
has come.
폭발하는 거 아니겠죠?
Listen to those fat bullet beats.
That was awesome, but Chloe wants those bottles down.
Give me something to shoot, Max.
Aim at that old blue plank here.
I hate old planks. Yawn. I must rid the world of those bottles. Give me something to shoot, Max.
Let's take out this wheel
오케이
rim
오케이
on the
오케이.
left.
Taking
17%면은
out the wheel rim now.
17%면은
Hella yes!
Nice shooting, Tech.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
졸려서 드립이 안 나온다.
Like never? So I want one more uber cool trick shot.
How about using that junker for a target now?
Dude, I need a target before I shoot.
I want to see that windshield go down.
Watch out for flying glass. You guys better run for cover. Yet the bottle remains.
이거 되게
Dude, I need a target before I...
How about aiming for the left tire?
Adios, spinning wheel of death. Uber cool. I cannot believe this is for reals. My best friend is a superhero. Now it's your turn to bust a cap.
총은
I don't
위험해.
know.
Max, your nose. Damn.
I'd don't feel so super.
워킹데드 게임을 하라고? 나 죽는 거 보고 싶어요? 나 죽는 거 보고 싶은 거야? 기행 좋아.
You freaked me out there. Do you feel any better now?
A little. Thanks for helping me.
아, 그래요?
Just give me a minute.
어디서 받아? 스팀?
Too much action for Arcadia?
Maybe not enough. This is kind of fun. Scary and stupid, but fun.
Let me know when you feel okay.
God, this power really messes with my head.
오케이,
I feel
오케이.
normal again. I better go chat up Chloe.